How to install and set up Google Wallet on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app and search Google Wallet. After click on Google Wallet, if you want to install Google Wallet and click on install. After click on install, go back to home screen. You will see Google Wallet is showing on your screen. Go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on advanced features and click on side button. Select double press and long press. Click on double press and you will see. Click on wallet. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can install and set up Google Wallet on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.